Hi, good morning, tutor. My name is Edwin Fabian Rojas Vaquero from the English Phonics course from the Open and Distance National University. I chose for this tutorial video the symbol on the consonant sounds of the IPA alphabet where and while is start. Continue. F, 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 Fritz, 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 Pup, Pup, Liontal, articulant, articulant Y, the lower lid nets. The lower two, where the tones is the learn positional fricative close and produce turbulence. Voiceless, they had no variation. Example, my sister foot is big. Foot is big. The feet and my fan are beautiful. The feet. Next, ten, talk. Alveolar products a wide talk touching the alveolar. Talk, the air stops and the tongue produces a small explosion. Voiceless, she has no vibration. No vibration. Example, my grandmother had a birthday on my 10th. 10. Continue. Think, think. Think, 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 think. In their dental, duck is going to articulate between the front teeth, the teeth on the tongue, touch the teeth, very low sound, fricative, help partial touch of the tongue for a spacer touch friction. Pink. Is now the voice of vibration. No, voiceless, no. Example, I had to think, I had to think about studying voice, study the subjects of numbers. They, interdental, that is going to articulate between they, the front, the tick of the toes, the tick very soft, fricative, ently partial to the toes, pass straws, friction, turbulent, then voice is there is vibration, big vibration. If there is vibration, there, they, example, are there are many college cards. They sing, they sing in chorus, consonant, time, chuck, 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 sign, alveopalatal, the tick of the tongue is choked to the palate, fricative, that they are going to be partially blocked. Voiceless, the list will be in rounds position. Sample, the hood of the in the canals is very big. Church. The points is above to shine tonight. Okay, okay. I hope you like in happy day. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.